Hello and welcome to free.net tutorials. This is Manuel Mendu. In this video we will see one of our viewer. He asked me some doubt like how to make exe file of ASP.NET, how to use setup and deployment. Please upload a video on this. Okay, before that I want to tell you that in ASP.NET we can do DLL files but not exe files. Like maybe we can use that DLL as exe, or like adding something, or I will show you in on some videos how to find DLL and how to add in another project that DLL. Let's see how to create a exe files in our project, Windows applications. So let's create a new project. Okay, example on, like, you can name it anything. Let's go and create something like small example on creating our exe. Just to drag and dropping in the button click and using message box dot show in exe file. Okay, let's do like this and let's build it. Okay, you see build succeeded here, and let's go to our folder where our Windows form application was created, and you see a bin folder here. When you go to the bin folder, you see debug, and you see a name like Windows form application, like our project name. Just right click and you see go and see the properties. It's a .exe file. So when you build your project, .exe file automatically created. Let's go and copy it on your desktop. Okay, so this is your .exe file. Whenever you want to open this, you see a button. Your form with our button. When you click on button, you see a message like I'm in exe file, that which I wrote on our code. Okay, so this is small easy and how to make exe, and you can copy this to your friend's computer, and if he has Visual Studio, same application, same editor, it automatically runs easily. So our next question is how to use setup and deployment. Let's do one thing. Actually, I got a project. Already I designed a web application in our previous video, how to retrieve the data using two text box and one button. So this is a project. So let's try our setup and deployment. So let's go to our project, and you see other project types. Here you see setup and deployment. When you select setup and deployment, you see web setup project. So we are setting a web. So let's put like emu setup. Okay, let's click OK, and you see like two boxes. When you select this, you see a bin like that. What you do is you just go to your Solution Explorer. Don't worry about these things. Just Solution Explorer and add your existing website. Our existing website is website 37 that I shown you before. This is 37, right? So let's go and add that. Okay, and your website is added in this emu setup. So what you do is you just right click on and build it, and it started building. So it takes little seconds. So it's build succeeded, and let's go to our project folder of setup folder, like, or you can search here Immo setup, and let's go to this folder here. Oops. Maybe it's not here. Documents, projects, and you see Immo setup. In the Immo setup folder, you see like something like debug, release, and some files. You just go to debug, and you see a setup file here. When you click on setup, there's some administrator permission as, and you see a welcome to Immo setup wizard. Got it? You can use any projects. You can create something like application which runs in your computer. I mean, anything like, if you create a chess game, you can create like this, and you can use setup wizard. When you click on next, it asks something like virtual directory, Immo setup, and so and so. Click next. Immo setup is being installed, please wait. Okay, so it takes time to install. After the installation is completed, you see that this Immo setup in your control panel. Let's see how it works. Okay, Immo setup has been successfully installed. Close and go to your control panel. Install a program. If you want to uninstall, or if you want to see, I just want to show you where it is. So Immo setup. Got it? That's it. How to use a setup and deployment. A small example. If you want any further information about this, you can ask briefly so that I can help you uploading the video. Thank you. Bye bye.